Hi guys, welcome back to Yaa Asantewaa's kitchen. Memawo akoba to Yaa Asantewaa's kitchen. Today Yaa Asantewaa is going to cook a very simple Chinese food. Tomato fried egg. These are the ingredients we need. Tomatoes, egg, soy sauce, salt, and oil. So guys, let's start. First is going to cut the tomatoes into pieces. After cutting the tomatoes, next step is to break the eggs and stir it. After stirring, I'll put some little salt in. Now we have the tomatoes and egg here. Next step is to pour the oil into the pot. Heat it and fry your eggs. After frying the egg, you put the egg back to the plate. So the remaining of the oil, I'm going to fry the tomatoes. When frying the tomatoes, I need to continue to stir it. Cook it until it's soft. Later, put some little salt on it. And steam it for 3 minutes. Add some little water. Stir and steam it for 1 minute. Later, I'm going to put soy sauce. Now it's time to add the soy sauce. After adding the soy sauce, you need to add the egg in. Just mix the tomatoes and the egg. Add some more little water and steam it for 1 more minute. Guys, the tomatoes, fried eggs is done. Guys, this is our tomato fried egg stew. You can eat it with the rice or noodles any time of the day. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and leave a comment below. See you next time.